You understand English, but you still can't speak. Why? You've learned vocabulary, you've studied grammar, you can even write well, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. If this sounds like you, this video will fix your problem with a simple 4-step method. This is one of the most common problems for English learners around the world. You can understand English easily because you listen and read a lot. You can even write sentences because you have time to think. But speaking is different. Speaking is fast. There is no time to stop and think about grammar or search for words. That is why you struggle. The problem is not your intelligence. The problem is overthinking. When you speak, you try to remember grammar rules, vocabulary, and sentence structure at the same time. This creates confusion and delay. Your brain understands English, but your mouth is not trained to produce it quickly. So what is the solution? You need a system that trains your brain and your mouth together. Step 1. Learn everything by topic. Stop learning random words. Start learning by topic. For example, choose a topic like friendship, education, or health. Write all related words, phrases, and sentences in one place. This helps your brain organize information. When you speak, your brain will quickly find the right words because they are connected. Step 2. Write before you speak. Before you speak, write simple sentences. Start easy. I have a friend. Then improve. I have a close friend. Then expand. I have a close friend who always supports me. This process builds your speaking step by step. When you speak later, you don't create sentences. You remember them. Step 3. Record vocabulary properly. Every time you learn a new word, don't just memorize it, organize it. Write it under the correct topic. Add examples, add phrases. For example, friend to best friend, make friends, close friend. This builds an active vocabulary that you can use when speaking. Step 4. Practice speaking every day. This is the most important step. You must speak, even if you are alone. Talk to yourself. Use a mirror. Imagine conversations. You can say, "Today I feel happy. I am learning English. Don't worry about mistakes. Speaking is a skill, and skills improve with practice." You can also use online tools like asdeq.com to find words, phrases, and examples for any topic. This helps you build better sentences and expand your vocabulary faster. Remember this: fluency is not about knowing everything. It is about using what you know quickly and confidently. If you prepare by topic, write your sentences, organize your vocabulary, and practice daily, you will see real improvement. Start today. Speak every day. Don't wait for perfection. Follow me on YouTube for simple English lessons that help you speak with confidence.